the beast won't start. Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. As you can see, I replaced the starter on the lawn tractor. There's a follow-up video for the other one, and then it still didn't work. All I got was click, click, click. So I think you can see in there, see the two silver poles? I put a screwdriver across there with the key off, but there's still power, and the starter kicked in just like nobody's business. So by process of elimination, the solenoid's bad. It clicks, but it's not making the connection with the magnetic whatever it is inside there. So I got a new one off of you know where. This one's universal. I have the little tabs instead of a bolt on. This is called a 4-post. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a 3-post. You just have to check and see what you got. So I'm going to take the hot wire off the battery. These two bolts will pull out the solenoid, and I'll change all the wires over and reinstall the new one. Hold on a minute. Okay, go through your new solenoid. Mine is 12 volt. Make sure it's the right voltage to your system. I'm sure some little baby lawn tractors may be 6 volt. I don't know. But mine's 12 volt. Make sure your terminals are all tight. Don't over smash them, because you can like just rip them right out of there. Just good and tight. German specs. I got the tabs on there because mine are just plug in. Let me get the proper wrenches and I'll pull the old one out. Alright, on mine it's 7/16. These are through bolts, so you'll have to put something on the inside. I just got a deep well 7/16 on my 1/4 inch drive. Make sure it's in the right direction. Of course, they always put crap in the way. I mean, what would a project be if it wasn't something difficult about it? I think I got it. Yep. Now let's see if I can get back at the other one. I think so. Now you can do this without unhooking the juice from the battery, but it could be a shocking experience. Just saying. A 12 volt DC will knock you on your butt. So why take a chance? Plus it might fry something, because there are inline fuses with this system. Well, this one's much easier. And I probably should have reached back in there and disconnected the wires before. Alright, that's got to go around that one before I pulled it, just to make it easier, because now I don't know if I have enough length from my battery. Okay, white is on the right. You have to remember that, because it's important to get the wires in the correct order. There we go. That wasn't too awful. It looks like 1/2 inch or 9/16. Oh, 1/2 inch. And you're going to want to make sure, just take a little brass brush or a wire brush and clean your terminals off. Or not your terminals, your washers for your battery connectors. While you got the stuff off, you might as well get the best connection as possible. Don't drop your bolts. Nuts, sorry. got lock washers on here for some reason, and they're really grinding or cutting into the nuts. And on some of these, they may get loose over the years. You have to put a second wrench on the bottom nut so it won't spin out. Alright, that was easy enough. Thing's 20 years old. See the terminals on there? Same style, because when I first got this lawn tractor I replaced a solenoid a bunch of years ago. Let me see. It looks like it'd be enough. These posts are actually a little smaller than the other one, but it looks like it would be enough to contact it. Pardon the dogs barking. Now I'm not sure where this solenoid is made because it doesn't say on it. All the nuts are in millimeters, just saying. Just get it good and snug. Don't over tighten. There we go. These aren't getting real good contact. What I'm going to have to do is go find some 1/4 inch flat washers and put behind it and on top of it. I'll see. If it works, it works. If it don't, it don't. And then I'll do it. Okay. Here's our connectors, white on right. That don't fit real tight either. Oh, pardon me, doesn't fit real tight either. I'm gonna grab the needle nose and give those connectors a squeeze. Be right back. Okay, we are back. That's better. Guess I should have did that one first. There, we got it. That's better. Get around the wire cluster here. Man, they got this weird. I got room, I'm just pushing that over. Just want to make sure you don't pinch nothing behind it. Alright, got the holes lined up. One, get the nut started. Don't tighten it yet because it may have to get shifted around. Of course, there's junk in the way. This would be easier from the other side with a long extension, I suppose. drop it. Got it. Sometimes you just get lucky. Found the nut. Hallelujah. Yep, I'm gonna need a backer. Sometimes you get lucky like this one. Good and tight. This one, have to get a backer on it. Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. Might have to weasel a wrench in there because I pushed that wire cluster back in instead of putting it around it. Now I'm having trouble getting into it. I think I got it. Right there, I think. Nope. Got it. Good and tight. Now I'll double check. White's still hooked up, the black slipped off. So now I gotta feel around and find the tab. Got it. Yeah, it feels tight enough to stay on there. Alright, I just need to hook the battery back up and get the key. Hold on. This battery's brand new, so everything's clean. I got this down nice. Lock washer. Now on this particular battery post I had to put a bigger bolt in here, so it's actually threaded right through the terminal. Uh-oh, I see blood. This is when you know you're getting old. Anything you bump, your thin skin rips. Good and tight, don't want to break nothing. Alright, I got my brake locked on. Cross your fingers. That'll work, just like brand new. So that was real time doing a quick solenoid repair. Thanks for tuning in. See you on the next one. Play nice.